Tracy Detrava, and I am the owner of Eat Good Bakery. I am delighted to serve as chair of the 2024 Sounds of Christmas concert presented by Father Alphonse and the Orchestra of St. Peter by the Sea to benefit Mount Carmel Guild, located in Trenton, New Jersey. This year's concert will take place on Thursday, December 19th, 7 p.m. at Immaculate Conception Church in Trenton, New Jersey. General admission tickets are $45 and senior citizen tickets are $40. We also have various sponsorship levels available, which include preferred seating and recognition at the concert. Father Alphonse has been performing concerts since 1986, and we are delighted to welcome him back along with the magnificent Orchestra of St. Peter by the Sea. This concert is absolutely magnificent and captures the essence of the holiday spirit. Tickets are available at Eat Good Bakery, or you can visit Mount Carmel Guild website. For more information, you can call 609-392-5159, extension 111. For decades, Mount Carmel Guild has been a beacon of hope and compassion, providing essential services and empowering those in need. We look forward to seeing you on December 19th, and we thank you for your support.